Morning, friends. Now we are discussing numericals on make or buy decision. So the statement of the problem goes like this. So that is a company has been buying a part of the machine for 1000 rupees each. It has an extra capacity that can be used to produce the same. So that is so if the companies decided to buy the part of the machine from outside supply unit, so it is costing 1000 rupees. The annual fixed cost of unused capacity, that is whether the production is done in the company or not. So the fixed cost of the capacity which is unused is 10 lakhs rupees. If the company decided to make the product, it will incur material cost of 350 rupees per unit. Labor cost is 300 rupees per unit, and variable cost or the overhead cost, what we call it as, is 100 rupees per unit. So the future demand is estimated as 5000 units. That is the sale expected is 5000 units. So what decision is profitable for the company? Whether the company has to go for making the product inside, or whether the part of the machine is to be purchased from outside. So the solution will be like this. So first we will write the given data. So fixed cost, so that is 10 lakhs rupees. So whether the production is done inside, or whether the part of the machine is purchased from outside. So this cost is going to occur. So that is 10 lakh rupees. So that is stated here. Annual fixed cost of unused capacity is rupees 10 lakhs. So that is written here. So labor cost. So if the product is made inside the company, so the labor cost incurred is 300 rupees per unit. So labor cost is 300 rupees per unit. And material cost. So it is mentioned that material cost is rupees 350 per unit. So that is written here. And the other overhead cost or variable cost is given as 100 rupees per unit here. And the sales expected is 5000 units. So demand is written as 5000 units. So we'll find out the cost of making and cost of buying. So comparing the two, we can later decide. So total cost is now fixed cost plus variable cost. So this variable cost depends on the volume of production. So if the volume of production is small, so variable cost will be less. So if volume of production is more, so variable cost will be more. So whether you produce zero product or n number of products, so the fixed cost remains the same. So that is given as 10 lakhs rupees. So fixed cost is written as 10 lakhs. So then variable cost per unit. The various resources used the rates will be given per unit. So we are writing that. So we are incurring a material cost, labor cost plus overhead cost. So material cost given is here 350 rupees plus labor cost, so that is 300 rupees plus overhead cost, so that is 100 rupees. So totally it comes to 750 rupees per unit. So that is manufacturing one unit of the so one part that is we are producing one part of machine, right? So that is incurring 750 rupees. If the demand, so that is the sales expected is 5000 units. So the total variable cost of producing 5000 units will be 5000 into 750. rupees. So it comes to rupees 37 lakh rupees 50,000 as the total variable cost. Now, what is the total cost of manufacturing all the 5,000 units? So, as it is said, so fixed cost, whether we produce something or nothing, so it remains the same. So, that is 10 lakh rupees, and the total variable cost we are getting is 37 lakh 50,000. So adding this 10 lakh, that is the fixed cost plus a variable cost of 37 lakh 50,000, we are getting the total cost of making as 47 lakh 50,000. So that is the expenditure to be incurred if the company decides to manufacture all the 5,000 units inside its premises. So the total cost of making is 47 lakh 50,000 rupees. Then cost of buying. So if the company decides to go for buying that part of the machine from the outside supplier, so what will be the total cost? So here total cost is now fixed cost plus buying cost. So as it is said, so whether the company buys the components from outside supplier or whether it is going to manufacture in its own premises. So the fixed cost like the investment made on the plant, so that is constructing the factory and the machines installed and the wages paid to the existing employees, whether the work is extracted from them or not, so it remains the same. So this fixed cost is 10 lakh rupees. So buying cost, so the demand expected is 5,000 units, and it is said that if the company is buying the part of the machine at the price of 1,000 rupees each. So demand is now 5,000, and the cost, the unit cost of that part, if it is purchased from the outside supplier, so it is 1,000. So it is 5,000 into 1,000. That is demand is 5,000 and the cost is 1,000. So total cost of buying is now fixed cost plus buying cost. So it comes to 60 lakhs rupees. So the cost of making, if the company produces on its own, it is 47 lakh 50,000. So if it is purchased from outside, so it is costing 60 lakhs rupees. Since the cost of buying is more than the cost of making, so the decision is that make the product within the company. So that is advisable. Thank you, friends.